Hello, I'm Jay Byers. I'm the Deputy City Manager for the City of Pittsburgh. And I wanted to talk to you briefly about the Governor's executive orders. It's important to keep in mind that all of the executive orders have to be read as in a continuum, so that unless an executive order specifically rescinds a previous order, all the executive orders remain in place. The most wide-reaching executive order has been Executive Order 20-16. This has been referred to as the stay-at-home order. The stay-at-home order has directed all individuals to stay at home unless they're engaged in a specific essential business or service. And then it outlines what those essential businesses and services are. Now, individuals can leave their home for recreation purposes or if they're involved in those essential businesses, but they're still required to maintain social distancing, which is at least 6 feet separation during their normal business and interactions with people. The other big executive order that has caused some confusion is Executive Order 20-18. In this order, the governor has directed all gatherings of people to be limited to 10 or fewer people. There's been some confusion about what that means, but that includes church services and any other gatherings of people. There was a reference in 2018 to restaurants and bars, and that had created some confusion for the restaurant and bar owners. But it is important to note that 2018 does not rescind the order that closes bars and restaurants and limits them only to takeout and delivery services. Bars and restaurants can only be open for takeout and delivery services. Their dining areas cannot be open. The Order 2018 talks about a limit of 10 or more people, right? But that refers to people waiting in line for the takeout services. 20-19 through 20-23 refers to specific businesses and industries. You may want to check out the governor's website and look at those executive orders to see if you're impacted by those specific executive orders. 2024 extends Executive Order 2016 through May 3rd at midnight, right? So that 2016, the stay-at-home order, is in effect through May 3rd, which is a Sunday. If you have any questions about the governor's executive orders, you can look at the governor's website, or you can look at the City of Pittsburgh's website. There's a lot of details there. We encourage you to check them out. We appreciate all of your patience as we look to how we're going to get the economy back rolling again. And until then, take care.